This PNC question from Temasek Junior College is the perfect example of applying your basic fundamental concepts in a very interesting way. So we have a very classic circular permutation question over here, but there's a catch to this question. I'm going to show you why. So we're given that we have person A, B, C, and D, and 6 other people who are going to attend a dinner banquet, and they're all going to be sitting around a circular table. So I'm just going to draw the circular table here. Now the constraint of the question is that person D will only sit next to A, B, or C. So I know that person D over here will sit next to either A, B, or C. So I'm just going to open up 2 seats over here beside person D, right? And I know that all of them must be under one group. And then they say that A, B, and C must not sit next to each other. So the thing is that if person D is going to be in the middle, then naturally person D will be the person that separates the 2 people who are going to sit here, right? So no problem with that. However, there's also a possibility for the third person, because here I got 3 people, right? And after I chose the 2 people, the last person could sit here or could sit here. And that will actually violate the condition that we want to avoid. So how do we tackle this question over here? The way that we tackle this will be to first use the idea of circular permutations, followed by the concept of slotting. So I'm going to show you how. So in my mind, I'm going to ignore the third person first, right? So let's say I choose 2 people. So let's say I choose 2 people, I'm left with 1 person. I will just temporarily put this 1 person aside first. And then I will arrange this group, right? The D group, as well as the 6 other people. So the 6 other people will form 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, right? So I will arrange the 6 other people plus this group first, right? And I know there's still 1 more person here left. So over here, I have 7 different unique groups. So 7 minus 1 factorial, right? Arranging these 7 different groups. And then for the 2 seats over here, right? I have A, B, and C that I could choose from. So therefore, I will have 3 choose 2. And then after I choose the 2 out from the 3 group, I will times 2 factorial, because there are 2 factorial ways of arranging this group. These 2 people within that group, right? It can be person A here, person B here, or it could be person B here, person A here, right? So therefore, I need to multiply by 2 factorial. But don't forget, we still got this one last person who we have not slotted into the group yet. And the thing is that this last person can sit anywhere except for here and for here, right? So let's count the number of slots that this person could potentially sit in. This last person over here could sit in here 1, 2, 3, 4, or 5, right? There are 5 different seats out of the 7 available slots that this person could sit in. And therefore, over here, I'll multiply this by a last value of 5. So when I compute everything together, I'll get a final value of 216,000 ways as the final answer to this question over here. So this is a very interesting question from Temasek Junior College that I thought was so well planned, because it tests you on your favorite concept of circular permutation, but there's a catch over here which includes the concept of slotting, and that's a concept that a lot of students, especially JC, struggle with. And if you're struggling with your statistic chapters or even your JC1 chapters, I've created this thing called the Library of A1 Math Academy, where I reteach you the whole entire H2 Math syllabus, all through video concepts, as well as my library of many JC questions, which I take the time to go through every single one of them in specific detail and make sure that it's understandable for you. And if you want to get access to the library and see how the library actually looks like, just WhatsApp the number on the screen over here, and I'll send you a demo link as well as an information kit to show you exactly how the library works and see whether it actually suits your learning or not. More information, WhatsApp the number, and I'll see you there.